Your product doesn't need another cool video, it needs a story that sells. Most AI generates clips, Pippit generates commercials. We're talking coherent scene logic, consistent characters, and professional voiceovers, all from a single prompt. You can create a high-quality advertising video for your product in seconds. If you want to dominate the feed with high-end storytelling without the high-end headache, you need to see what Dreamina Seedance 2.0 can do. The game just changed. Pippit isn't just another video generator. It can be a powerful tool designed specifically for promotional content and product advertisements. Here is why this model is different. Precision. It actually understands textures, whether it's the grain of leather, the flow of liquid, or the shine of metal. Consistency. It maintains your product's silhouette and brand identity across every single frame. Storytelling. It understands scene logic and character consistency, so your ads feel like a narrative, not just a slideshow. Built-in voiceover. You don't need a separate tool. Just write your script in the prompt and Pippit generates a natural voiceover to match. First up, let's talk about motion. In this urban kinetic spot, notice the moment the sneaker hits the wet asphalt. In older models, the water would just be a blurry mess. Here, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 understands fluid dynamics. The splash is reactive, and the way the rubber outsole compresses under pressure is physically accurate. For brands, this means you can finally showcase performance gear in high-speed action without losing the integrity of the product's silhouette. It's not just moving pixels, it's simulated reality. Next is the emotional lifestyle test. AI has historically struggled with scene logic, keeping a character's face the same across different cuts. But look at this sequence. The woman's features remain perfectly consistent from the moment she smells the coffee to the moment she shares a smile with her partner. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 isn't just generating an ad, it understands the storytelling. This is how you build an emotional connection with an audience. Next, let's look at something every AI struggles with: skincare. Usually AI makes skin look like a blurry plastic filter, but look at this. We're starting with a close-up of a serum drop. Notice how it slides down the leaf? It doesn't just teleport or look like a blob, it moves like actual liquid. You can see the reflection of the forest inside that tiny drop. But the real wow moment is the model's skin. If you look closely, you can still see real skin details, tiny pores and natural texture. It's not that fake, over-smoothed AI look we're used to seeing. If you're running a beauty or wellness brand, this is a total game changer. You're getting high-end aesthetics without the massive production budget. Now for my favorite, the high-speed luxury car spot. The real challenge here is environmental sync. Notice how the reflections on the car's metallic paint change perfectly as it moves from the shadows of a tunnel into the golden hour light of the coast. There's no wobble in the background architecture, and the car maintains its brand identity from every single angle. This is professional-grade cinematography generated in seconds. Finally, the smart headphones. This was the ultimate stress test for texture mapping. Look at the contrast between the soft protein leather of the ear pads and the cold, brushed aluminum of the hinges. This model avoids that AI plastic look by accurately rendering how light interacts with different surfaces, what we call subsurface scattering. When the user touches the matte shell, the light from the Smart Touch ripple reflects realistically on their fingernail. For tech brands, this level of precision is the difference between a cheap video and a premium commercial. The quality of these commercials speaks for itself. No more glitches, just premium content. Scale your brand with premium level commercials powered by Pippit's newest model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0.